Hello everyone, myself Divyanshu Pandey. Currently I am an assistant professor in FCM department in Rama University Kanpur. Now I am going to deliver my topic, that is service marketing and types of service marketing and also 7 P's of service marketing. As we know that in the marketing there are so many types of products and so many types of services provides by many organization for the customers. So I am discuss about only the service marketing. So now as we know that it is a form of marketing, this is a basic terms of marketing, and it is also a form of marketing, because if there is also a product, then there is also a service of any organization or any company. So it is a form of marketing business that provides service to their customers. It provides also the service to their customer for the purpose of increase brand awareness and sales, because brand awareness is the very important thing in the current era, and the sales is very important, because when sales is good, then organization will generate very well revenue, by which revenue they provides the wages and salaries to their employees, by which the employees works very well in the organization. Through that, the organization reputation in the market is very good. Now there are two types of service marketing. First one is external service marketing, and second one is internal service marketing. When we talk about external service marketing, in the external service marketing, it is the first form of service marketing. It provides the services to the external, like we can say that when the service provided to the customers by any organization, then it is called external service marketing. And the second form is internal service marketing. In internal service marketing, organization tries to motivate their employees to understand their services to provide very well to their customers. So these types of service marketing is very important for any organization. Now I am going to talk about 7 P's of service marketing. As we know that there in the sometimes there are only 4 P's of marketing, that is product, price, place, promotion, and now current era 3 more, that is people, process, and physical evidence. What is the means of product, price, place, promotion, and what is the means of people, process, and physical evidence in our service marketing? Now I am going to discuss one by one. First one is product. The first P is product, because as we know that service is intangible. So here the product means is intangible form of product, that is called service. So when organization provides the service that is in intangible form to the customers, like we can say that if we take an example of Oyo hotels, or if we take an example of there are so many types of services provided like Ola, Uber, so many types of. So the form of product in services is intangible form. Now the second one is price. Price is very important factor for any organization, because there are so many types of competitors same service providing to their customers. So you will very well think about the price, because customers also affect from the price, because price, demand, and supply is the main factor of any organization for providing the better service and enhance their brand awareness. Next one is place. Place is totally depends on the segmentation of market. Like if there is a huge city and people wants to relocate here to there, and they also want to go to their office, so they want to take a service for conveyance. So generally we can say that when we talk about the Ola, so Ola provide the services to their people for the reaching their office. So now we can say that place is the very important things, how many types of people and how many types of peoples are want to services, how much services, and how's the ways of services wants. So the place is very important things. Now the next point is promotion. Promotion, generally we can say that if any organization thinks about their services, their products going to become fall for any other competitor, so they improves their services. This is called the promotion. So now the next point is people. Okay, people are those people who works in the organization internally. So organization want to say that to their employees to please help their improvement of services, and they provide very well services to their customer, by which customers satisfaction are very good. So now the next point is process. In the process systems, when the any people, when if we talk about any person, he booked a luxury car from Ola, then the process is Ola firstly enter their address and so many types of information of their customers, and after this which taxis are available nearby him, then Ola provides to that person to use this taxi for your personal purpose. So this is the called the process of whole service providing. Next and last one is physical evidence. Physical evidence means any things in the tangible form. When any person, any customers use the services, then the company provides him a receipt in the form of purchasing, in the form of selling. So the receipt is that is called physical evidence. So now the 7 P's of service marketing are these: product, price, place, promotion, and people, process, physical evidence. It is very important for any organization. Now the next point is we can say that if any organization want to improve their service strategy, so firstly he must analyze himself. It means SWOT analysis is very important stage for any organization to provide the services or any types of goods. So SWOT analysis, it means strength, weakness, opportunity and threat. Every people know their strength and weakness. Like this, every organization also know their strength and their weakness. So if they improve their strength, so they will get so many types of opportunity in the market. And if they ignore their weakness, then there will huge threat in the market, for that is the form of competitors. So SWOT analysis is very important for any organization to improve their services. Thank you. It's all about from my side.